Hello Year 1, if you were unable to join me for the maths lesson on Zoom today, we are doing a little revision on 3D shapes and their properties. So that is how we describe what a shape looks like, how many corners does it have, how many edges does it have, and how many faces does it have. So you will need to find around your house some 3D shapes. Now, they don't all have to be paper ones. Maybe you have some around the house. So I've got a couple here that we shall talk about in a minute. Okay, so first job, I want you to listen carefully and I want you to pick up the shape that you hear. Okay? So, number 1, sphere. Sphere. So you need to pick up a sphere. Did you get it? So a sphere is like a ball. Can you think of any other things that are sphere shaped? I can think of a football, a basketball, an orange, what else? The planet Earth, the sun, the moon, a pea from the garden, lots of different things. Okay, all right then. This time, I'd like you to find the square-based pyramid. Did you get it? It was this one. So, can you think of things that are this shape? I can think of the pyramids in Egypt. Sometimes a castle might have a pointy turret or a roof like that. Or maybe your house has one like that. All right, next one. Cylinder. Which one is the cylinder? This one. Okay, so what other cylinder things do you have in your house? I have in my kitchen lots of cans of food. They're all cylinder shape. I have a bottle of shampoo. That is cylinder shaped. Okay, next one. Cube. Which one is the cube? Now this is tricky, easy to get confused. Is it this or this? It's this one. The cube is the one where all of the sides or the faces are square. So can you think of some things that are cube shaped? I can think of a dice. Maybe some cubes of sugar that you put in your tea sometimes. You might have a box in your kitchen with food in it that's tea-shaped. Maybe a tin that's got coffee in it, something like that, or a biscuit tin. Okay, next one. Cone. Which one is the cone? This one. Okay. So, can you think of anything that is cone shaped? I can think of an ice cream cone, maybe a microphone. What about a gnome's hat? A snowman's nose? All sorts of things. Okay. And then the last one, cuboid. Cuboid is this one. So I'm sure around your house you've got lots of examples of cuboids. It could be a toy box, it could be a cereal box, it could be anything. Okay, all right then. So what we want to do is talk about the properties of these shapes. So we want to know about corners, we want to know about faces and edges. So first of all, let's take our pyramid. Okay, now a face, imagine if we open it up, a face is how many different pieces would there be if you opened it up? So let's have a look here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you did this yesterday. You told me that a pyramid has 5 faces. Let's have a look at the corners. The corners are the pointy bits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So a square-based pyramid has 4 corners. Now the edges are where 2 of the faces meet. So these are these lines here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 edges. Okay, let's move on then to the cone. All right then, so looking at the cone here, pointy bits, yeah, here, okay, one corner. If we opened out the cone, how many pieces would there be, or faces? 1, 2, okay? And does it have any edges where two shapes are together and meet? One edge, okay? So we get the idea. So what I'd like you to do, year 1, I would like you, if you were unable to join us for the Zoom, I would like you to make a video for me showing me some different objects around your house, and I'd like you to put together, well, I'll send it to you, you need to fill it in, a little table that talks about the properties of these shapes. So I want to know the properties of a square-based pyramid, a cone, a cube, a sphere, a cylinder, and a cuboid. Okay? All right. Thank you. Bye.